Grey water breathing, engines humming under bone.
Faraway fire calling us home.
Salt on my island, maps on the dash, half torn.
Black sand waiting under a sky that never warms. Crashing Iceland waves beat at the hull like drums.
Orange tower in the distance, one bright eye that never blinks. Be aware of the beacon over black sand. Be aware of the fire on the cold land. Be aware, hear it calling, calling us in. Be aware, we are smaller than the wind. Captain steady, knuckles pale on the one wheel. Stars hiding sideways, clouds stitched tight, sealed. Spray on the window, ghost white fingers on the glass. Hold your heading, let the dark just pass. Be aware. Guide us home. The tide hums low, the shore stands still. A beacon spins on the distant hill. Salt whispers float where dreams
Fjallíðandar, græna týr í hlýðleitlar, bækur af timbri, reykur ís í blíðu, stígur niður, mýkt í vætum kuldinn kyrrir hjarta, allt í einu ró. Víti yfir höfninni, horfir út í blámasinn. Ljós á milli þokudrauta, leiðir allt sem skín yfir skip í færist nær, fer aftur frá. Víti yfir höfninni, var það drauma sem ég á. Bryggjan talar, spor við tjörn, seldúk þónar hægt í sól, siglingar í röð, grannar kófar, halla saman.